when I was not around, of course, I just peeped in and I left. The reason why I didn't do show for a very long time, I was very busy, number one. Number two, I don't want a situation whereby they will say, Lizzy Anjorin, you get Kifim water. And there's something about me, you all can testify to it. Èmi ò kí ń bọ́jú ayé èèyàn jẹ́. Èmi ò bá ṣe èèyàn jẹ́. Tó bá wá fúnṣẹ́ bí màá wá fúnṣẹ́ ẹ̀. If you come for my business, I'll go for your business. If you come for my life, I'll go for your life. I don't want a situation whereby they will say, I want to ṣe fíìmù. Lizzy Anjorin, so we just have to give them that long rope so that they can hold on to their failure. Mo ṣì fresh by Ọlọ́run tẹ́ bá mọ̀ mi stress ara mi. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n unbox àwọn aṣọ. So then there is one woman. I saw the video and I want you all guys to listen to the video as well. Eyemesho, thank you. Rainbow Cookswear, thank you. Only sister mi kan tí mo miss níbí báyìí, am Tiwa Tope. Bóyá block ẹni, mo ti check gbogbo block list wa mi ò rí am Tiwa Tope. I'm Tiwa Tope. If you are watching me with another account, I miss you, I love you. Open another account, trust me. I will pin it, then I will ask people to follow you. As you can see, they've been attacking us, reporting us, both Facebook. All my Eyemesho Luxury Textiles and Eyemesho Luxury Fabrics. I can't find it again. It has gone. So that's how they've been pulling down our this thing. So let's listen to the video. I've been playing that video. Tele. So now let me replay the video again. So ẹ má bá mi gbé aṣọ wá. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ kí n fi bedroom mi hàn yín kẹ́ bá mi rajà. Warriors, kí ló ń ṣe yín báyìí? Ṣé ẹ máa wò mìíràn tí màmá sùn ní shop ẹ ní rajà? I want to show you where I sleep. This is my bedroom behind me. I want to show you, but then you have to patronize me. I have a lot of things to show. Tiwa Tope will create another page. Create another page, my love. You blocked me on the second account. It's not me. Maybe they reported you. A lot of people that are close to me. A lot. They reported us. So guys, let's enjoy our show. It's fantastic. So this woman, listen to this woman. I think go show you a lot. Yeah, my unbox aṣọ wa. Yeah. This is the woman. This is the woman.
You are all going to kill on a line and be saying, Lizzy, shorty call me. Lizzy, shorty call me. Joe, shorty call me. Can you just come out and tell me something? What has she done? What she has done to deserve all this bullying on social media? Can you just come out and say something?
For those of you that just joining me on Instagram, Lizzy Oshe. Let's be sincere. Lizzy Oshe nkoko. Lizzy ó ṣiṣẹ́ fíìmù, ó ń tajà, ó mọ̀ polówó ṣe. Ó tún lọ lọ́kọ. Ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ pẹ̀tẹ́rì lọ́kọ. Ó tún lọ bímọ. Ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ pẹ̀tẹ́rì bímọ. Kí ló mú Lizzy tó lọ fi ra ilé? As if that was not enough. Kí ló mú Lizzy tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ta ilé, ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ta ilẹ̀. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní Lizzy ò ṣe nǹkan kan. Kí ló mú Lizzy tó fi ń ta aṣọ? Ó ń ta góòlù, ó ń ta bàtà, ó ń ta gbogbo ẹ̀. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní Lizzy ò ṣe.
Tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ máa ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Lizzy Anjorin tí ó sẹ̀sọ́ tán nínú fídíò yìí nípa òṣèrébìnrin Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé àti àwọn èyí tí ó kù rẹ̀.
Kí ló dé tí Lizzy ò ṣe máa lọ sí pátì báwọn tó kù ẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ pátì?